Have you ever wondered what the purpose of a radiator in a car is? Well, it's time to lift the hood and delve into the intriguing world of car mechanics. First, imagine a hot summer day. The scorching sun is beating down, and you're running a marathon. As you run, your body heats up, perspiration forms on your skin and evaporates, cooling you down. This natural process is crucial, preventing your body from overheating. Now, replace that human body with an engine, and you've got the basic principle of a car radiator. The radiator, a key component of a car's cooling system, acts like a heat exchanger. Its job is to cool down the hot coolant that circulates through the engine block. This coolant absorbs the heat produced by the engine, and if not for the radiator, this heat would build up, leading to overheating and potential damage. The radiator, a seemingly simple metal box, is actually a marvel of engineering. It's filled with a series of small tubes or cooling fins, increasing its surface area. As the hot coolant flows through these tubes, the heat dissipates into the surrounding air, cooling the coolant before it returns to the engine. It's a continuous, efficient process. The engine generates heat, the coolant absorbs it, the radiator cools it down, and the cycle repeats. It's like a relay race where the baton of heat is passed from the engine to the coolant, then to the radiator and back again. But why is this so important? Well, an engine is essentially a giant metal box full of explosions. These explosions generate power but also a lot of heat. Without a proper cooling system, this heat could warp and damage the engine components, leading to a breakdown, or, in worse cases, a complete engine failure. So, in essence, the radiator is like the unsung hero of a car. It keeps the engine cool, ensures optimal performance, and prolongs the life of the vehicle. It's not just a metal box, it's a lifesaver, protecting your car from the potentially devastating effects of overheating. In conclusion, the radiator's role in a car is as vital as our body's natural cooling system is to us. It keeps the engine running smoothly, prevents overheating, and contributes to the overall health and longevity of the vehicle. So the next time you're driving, spare a thought for the humble radiator, working tirelessly under the hood to keep